Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this super soft, moist mini red velvet cake with an amazing yet easy cream cheese frosting. So let's get started. In a bowl, I'll be sieving in my dry ingredients. Here I'm adding 1/3 cup flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Sieve well. Mix well and set aside. In another bowl, here I'm adding 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 egg, and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Beat egg and sugar till it gets fluffy and foamy. It should have a ribbon-like pattern. Make sure your sugar dissolves completely. Once our egg and sugar has been beaten, now we will add 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix for a few seconds. Don't overmix at this point. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of buttermilk. Mix. Do not overmix. Here I'm adding my dry ingredients. Now we'll mix our dry ingredients into the wet ingredients by folding gently with the hand whisk, or you can use a spatula. Now I'm adding a few drops of red color. Mix gently. Here our batter is perfectly ready. Now we will pour our batter in a greased mold lined with butter paper. Just swirl in a toothpick in your batter to remove any air bubbles. Now we will bake our cake in a preheated pot for 25 to 30 minutes. If you have a gas oven or an electric oven, you can bake your cake at 175 to 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Here our cake is perfectly ready. Now we will set aside our cake till it cools down and prepare our cream cheese frosting. For the cream cheese, in a bowl I'll be adding 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, whisk well, Here I'm adding 2 teaspoons of cream cheese, few drops of lemon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Whisk well. Here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. If your heavy whipping cream is sweet, you don't need to add powdered sugar. Whisk well till fluffy. Now I will add my cream cheese frosting in a piping bag. Here our cake has completely cooled down. You can decorate as you like. And here our super soft and moist mini red velvet cake is ready. Hope you liked my recipe. Please do give it a try and share with me your feedback. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.